Hi, I'm Lisa Yakas from NSF International. It's time for another edition of Ask NSF.
Hey Lisa, I was wondering, I drink a lot of coffee and tea, but do I need to clean the machine? I've never cleaned that before.
That's a great question. Thanks for asking. People are surprised to find out that the coffee maker is one of the germiest spots in their homes. Follow the manufacturer's recommended cleaning instructions. A common recommendation is to clean by adding up to 4 cups of undiluted vinegar to the reservoir, letting it stand for 30 minutes, and then running vinegar through the unit. This is followed by running 2 to 3 cycles of fresh water through the unit until the vinegar odor is gone. Most manufacturers recommend cleaning every 40 to 80 brew cycles, or at least monthly. For more tips on cleaning and how to keep your family safe, visit nsf.org.